Dear students, let us discuss measurement of development. Under measurement of development, first one is real national income. Before going to study real national income, we must get clarity on economic development and economic growth. Generally speaking, economic development refers to the problems of underdeveloped countries and economic growth to those of developed countries. Medicine makes the distinction between these two terms. The rising of income level is generally called economic growth in rich countries, and in poor ones it is called economic development. In fact, the terms development and growth have nothing to do with the type of economy. The distinction between the two relates to nature and causes of changes. According to Kindleberger, economic growth means more output, while economic development implies both more output and changes in the technical and institution arrangement by which it is produced and distributed. Now, let us discuss real national income. One of the methods to measure economic development is in terms of an increase in the economy's real national income over a long period of time. According to Professor Meyer and Baldwin, economic development as a process whereby an economy's real national income increases over a long period of time. There is positive correlation between the real national income and economic development. Higher the real national income, higher will be the rate of economic development. Thus, real national income is the measuring rod of the economic development. But this definition is not a satisfactory definition due to the following reasons. Real national income refers to the country's total output of final goods and services in real terms rather than in money terms. Here, over a long period of time implies a sustained increase in real income. The measure fails to take into consideration changes in the growth of population. If a rise in real national income is accompanied by a faster growth in population, there will be no economic growth. The real national income also does not reveal the cost to the society of environmental pollution, urbanization, industrialization, and population growth. It considers natural resources to be free and treats the earth like a business in liquidation. Further, it tells us nothing about the distribution of income in the economy. Conclusion: real national income as an index of economic development has not been successfully in reducing poverty, unemployment, and inequalities and raising living standards in developing countries. Robert Meck, the then governor of the World Bank, admitted that the failure of the real national income as an index of economic development in these words. In the developing world, at the end of the decade, malnutrition is common, infant mortality is high, life expectancy is low, illiteracy is widespread, unemployment is endemic and growing, the redistribution of income and wealth is severely skewed. Thus, real national income cannot be regarded as a measure of economic development. Thank you.